Hey guys, this is our ABC writing tablet, page 53 and 54. Our letter G is going to go, our letter G is going to go inside, hold on, let me move this back. All right, it's going to go in the downstairs right here. It's going to be a ball, go up, swing down with a monkey tail, and it hangs in the basement. We've not used this part much, but this is the basement. So it's going to actually hang down in the basement. A ball, swing up, or push up and swing down in the basement. A ball, push up, swing down. A ball, push up, swing down. A ball, push up, swing down. Good. Your capital G is going to be a big C, up, push across. It's going to go in the upstairs and the downstairs. Big C, push across. Big C, push across. Big C, push across. Trace the letters on the paint can for G, green. C, push across. Ball, push up, swing down. Good. Let's flip over on the back. Let's practice writing our vowels, the lowercase vowels. Your A, these are all going to be in the downstairs. A is a ball, push up, pull down. Ball, push up, pull down. E is a push across, up and around. Push across, up and around. Good. Your I is a pull down with a dot. Pull down with a dot. Your O is a circle stroke. Circle stroke. All right. A, I, ah. Good. All right. So you're going to circle the picture that has the I sound in it. Ready? All right. Dog. D, ah, g. Dog. Do you hear I? No. All right. Pig. P, I, g. Pig. Do you hear I in I, g? Pig. Yes. Next is a cat. K, a, t, cat. Do you hear I in cat? No. Next you have a fish. Fish. Ish. Fish. Do you hear the I sound? Yes. All right.